Now before we take the other strap off, we're going to need to lower this exhaust. There are two places the exhaust is held onto. We have one clamp right here by the rear axle, and then if we follow the muffler down, there is one on the side of the muffler on the left right here. We need to take both those off. We'll do the one on the side of the muffler next and lube this up. I used WD-40, but again, that's not the best because this is rubber. But these are really hard to move if you don't lube them up with something. I'm just going to let this exhaust drop onto the rear axle. Yeah, so this, I'm going to put a jack underneath this fuel tank with a piece of wood on it. Yeah. So I'm going to take this other strap bolt off. Well, it looks like we forgot a line. So this, all you do is just squeeze it and then pull. There. Now we're free. Okay, so now that the tank is out, we can replace the sending unit, which is right there. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the electrical connectors. This has a little lock in it. Remove the harness. So now we have a snap ring around the whole thing. I'm going to just use needle nose pliers to get in here, squeeze it, and then pull the snap ring out. Now some fuel pumps have it so you have to take a hammer and a chisel and smack the ring until it moves sideways and able to come out. This one is a snap ring, but others you would have to do that. So now we just lift up on the sending unit. There's a big O-ring around. And then just, it's a pretty tight fit. Now watch the little lever. You gotta tilt it forward to get the lever and sock out of there. Now we have our shiny new one. It comes with a new wiring harness. And make sure that the old O-ring didn't stay inside of here. So let's just lube this O-ring up with some gas. Again, be careful when you put it in. Put the sock, which is the filter here, and the lever in first. And then now this thing has got to push down against the spring pressure. There. Let's attach the new wiring harness. All you need is one strap. If you got one strap on, then you can let go with the jack. We should be able to let this go with just the one strap on. Yep. Okay, now we just take this plug off, connect this to the fuel filter. Let's connect our other fuel lines. There's one. The other line goes on here. Now let's first connect our electrical connector. I'm going to put the lock in from the old one because the new one didn't come with a lock. So now let's put the hoses back, evap hose. Now the filler neck hose. A lot easier to put on than it is taking off. Let's rehang the exhaust. Okay, time to reconnect the battery and start her up. Also, don't forget to put your fuel pump relay back in. Okay, so there's no fuel pressure in the system right now. And if I were going to start it, it would take a really long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the key in, turn it to the on position a couple times, and prime the system. Because whenever you turn the key to the on position, the computer will prime the fuel system by turning on the fuel pump for a couple seconds, and you can actually hear it. Okay, let's start it. It's got to build fuel pressure. There it is. Now go outside and check for leaks, and then you're done. Thanks for watching.